What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe, and let's get on with it. All right, so 100K challenge. We're sitting at 4,800. I know we've been kind of on the decline right now, but this is mainly because most of the stocks that we own in here is because and are Bitcoin miners and totally related to the crypto market and of course Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin does, it's going to reflect right here. So unfortunately, I guess right now it's not the best of times to be looking at it on the daily, but I'm doing this challenge on a daily basis, giving you updates on it. So here we are. All right. I am thinking of adding some other companies in here to kind of level the playing field because this portfolio is too heavily reliant on the movement of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is just going to keep going up and down a lot. So there are some good stocks out there, so I'll maybe talk about them. Not sure if I'm going to add those in here because those are American stocks, and then American here. There's a spread here that's not that favorable for Canadians in here, so I will purchase them outside in my other brokerage that just where I just have to pay almost $7 per transaction. So that's about it. I mean, they don't really. I think it's the best deal, to be honest. Yeah, if it's Canadian, then I'll buy here. But otherwise, I'm gonna buy US mainly heavy volume. Then I'm gonna purchase outside. Something like BNGO, I don't mind keeping here because I only have 69 shares, and that's not a lot. So I'm totally fine keeping that here. And something's like under a couple $100, that's totally fine with me. So something to where at a point where the spread doesn't hurt me, and I won't take a huge hit. So I'll accept that, and we'll also get into the Elon news and the Bitcoin price, and then you'll obviously know what's happening. So we'll just go through it, and I don't think I have any other updates in terms of the companies. There is a news with a census. They did go up to $10 now. I think this thing is just coming back. It's a train chugging back quick, really, really quick. If I look at the past month, since the low of May 13, it seems like the low was May 13 for most of the companies that we're looking at. So kind of ignore the Bitcoin ones, but otherwise everything else looks like May 13 is the lowest. 150, we're looking at the lowest was I think 150. 152. Yeah, it's kind of the same. So 150 and then come all the way back to $3 right now. So after hours is kind of even, but today we're up 10%, which is huge, almost 11. And I know we bought it way back around here. I think we bought it here right before it started dipping. So still $1 or so to go, but I believe in this company, and this thing's gonna do really great. So we'll be on the way back. It's just gonna take some time, but of course, when you look at it on the daily, these stocks, then it's gonna feel like it's never moving. But like with these things, you have to give them time, and then for them to pass through the seasons of being the down market and the up market. So just be patient. And I think this one came yesterday. They changed the annual general meeting from yesterday to Tuesday, June 29th, and that was the main kind of news with this company right here with the census. And BNGO, if you didn't notice, went up almost. I think it passed 713 or 7. Let me look at today's chart. Come on, 734. Yeah, it almost hit a high of 734 today, and it came back down throughout the day after afternoon. So after hours is doing really well. It's coming back past 7. I was hoping it would hold 7 before close. So I mean, it's after hours it came back up. So I'm not gonna feel dejected about it, but it's really good. And if you guys don't know about BNGO, you guys gotta check it out. I mean, the potential is huge here. I mean, the only thing keeping us back was the short and all the other thing that was happening in the market, but this thing seems to be poised, running back up. And we also have some huge holders here. I think, okay, it looks different now. I mean, there's a little bit more volume here than I last checked it. But yeah, so now we have a lot of institutional backing, so we should be good. Okay, so in terms of the company, we'll just go through right here. Census was up 10, of course, showed you. Really doing great. 182 down with Bitfarms. Okay. Let's see. BNGO 10, almost, yeah, 9. And bank says no, not much. So Bitcoin, it looks like it went down to 4.7. So you have to remember this BTC ETF, it mimics what Bitcoin is doing, so we'll know exactly how much it went down at before close. So Coinbase is down. I think it's a really good buy. 228, 220 is and below, and actually 230 is and below. It's a good buy. I mean, it opened up way higher than that. So DeFi is still going down. Okay, DGHI was down 4.37%. I don't know why it went down. I don't think there was any news. I checked before, there weren't any news. Yeah, the previous news was 16 days ago, so yeah, I mean, Bitcoin was down 4, so I guess it's doing its thing. It's kind of mimicking Bitcoin anyway, so that's fine. DMG is down 2. Okay, we're not investing in FLT yet. Galaxy, okay, we're not investing in that yet. HIVE, HUT 2, okay. Mogo and ND, okay, Mogo doesn't move much, okay. ND is down 3.2. All right, this thing just keeps going down and down. We're down almost 50% right now on NDA. And let's see. It is the lowest now. It seems like the lowest. Wait. Oh, we have TMG. Okay, that's 46, but 48% down. All right. Essence is coming back. It was at 30 something. Now it's at 26. So it has about maybe another 50% gain for us to break even. So awesome. And that's it with the portfolio side. News, crypto news. Let's see. So Elon tweeted this yesterday at around 9 p.m. yesterday. So Bitcoin and a little heartbreak sign, and it says her, the meme kind of thing. I know I said I would know. It would be over between us if we quoted another Linkin Park song, but I found someone else. Yeah. So in the end, it didn't even matter. I'm not sure. You could take, I don't know, there's different meanings to it. We just had the Bitcoin Council set up. Maybe from there, who knows? There's always something, right? There's always something that we're not privy to. We're just, reacting to the market, right? So, and these guys are proactive, so they're kind of making the market with the influence that Elon and these other guys have. You got to be careful and not fall for the pressure to sell. I know I could explain it a lot better, showing you a technical analysis and all that, but I'm not good with that. You can check out other channels that show you the technical analysis of, what it's going to do after this. But all I'm going to refer to is check out the Wyckoff patterns, and it's kind of mimicking that. Now we could see it drop in the weekend, not related to the song, but over the weekend we could see Bitcoin drop further. That could happen because last weekend was kind of it was a lot of excitement over the weekend. I did purchase some crypto. Now this weekend could be kind of action packed. We never know. So yeah, maybe keep some dollars to the side, USDT on the side, and be ready to pounce if it goes down. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, right? I have some USDT set on the side, and then if it drops, then I'm ready to get the coins that I want at a lower price. That's pretty much it. Just average down all the way, dollar cost average. That's the name of the game. That's good. That's what's gonna work out in the long term for you in terms of making you the most bang for your buck. And yeah. I think that was it with this. Yeah, I think that's it for this one. I mean, it's Friday, so definitely check out crypto CMC. Just keep an eye on it. Maybe just keep like a notification on or something. Just check out Bitcoin, see if it drops further. If Bitcoin drops further, then you obviously know the other coins are gonna follow suit. And yeah, so thank you for watching, I guess, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, peace.